Should plungers be designated only for toilets, not for sinks? Yes, because cross-contamination and differing tool design make separation the safer, more effective choice. Toilet plungers have a flange and a bell shape that creates a strong vacuum seal on curved toilet traps, while sink plungers are flat and better for flat drain surfaces, so use each for its intended geometry to get clogs out faster. Always rinse the plunger immediately after use with hot water and a little unscented bleach or a household disinfectant, then let it air dry outside or in a ventilated area to reduce microbial growth. Store plungers separately, preferably in closed containers or on hooks so they do not touch other cleaning tools or surfaces. Label the container with clear text or a colored tag so anyone in the household can instantly tell which is which. If you must use one plunger on both fixtures in an emergency, disinfect thoroughly between uses by soaking the head for at least 5 minutes in a bleach solution at 1 part bleach to 9 parts water, then rinse and dry. Do not reuse until fully dried. For rental properties or multi-unit buildings, assign each unit its own plunger and mark it with the unit number to prevent cross-unit contamination and misunderstandings. Replace plungers when the rubber shows cracks, hardening, or loss of shape, because damaged rubber reduces seal quality and pushes contaminants around instead of removing them. Common mistakes include using a toilet plunger on a sink, which wastes effort because the flange prevents a flat seal, so switch to a flat cup plunger and you will get faster results. Another problem is storing a used plunger loose under a sink, where it can contaminate cleaning products and children will touch it. Solve this by using a labeled container or high hook and drying it before storage. A third issue is skipping disinfection after use, which increases the risk of spreading bacteria. Fix this by following a simple soak and rinse protocol after every use and by rotating plungers so each has time to dry fully between uses. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work in our area by listing projects and contractor profiles that match project needs. We also host a discussion community where members share real-world tips, ask questions, and post experiences about tools, maintenance, and hiring so everyone can make better choices.